Unlock the power of AI without spending a dime by diving into Lovable AI's incredible free tier. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how you can access and utilize Lovable AI's features completely free, giving you a powerful playground for learning and experimenting with artificial intelligence. First things first, head over to the Lovable AI website. You'll spot a clear invitation to get started for free or a similar button. Click on that, and you'll be guided through a simple sign-up process. You'll typically need to provide your email address and create a password. No credit card information is required for the free tier, making it completely risk-free. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll be greeted by the Lovable AI dashboard. The free tier of Lovable AI is surprisingly robust, offering access to several core AI functionalities. Think of it as your personal AI sandbox. You might find tools for text generation, perhaps image creation, or even AI-powered assistance for various tasks. The specific features available can vary, so feel free to explore everything presented to you. Let's say you're interested in creative writing. Select the text generation tool. You can then enter a prompt, like write a short story about a brave knight adventuring in a magical forest. Observe as Lovable AI generates a unique and imaginative story based on your input. This is a fantastic way to see how AI can spark creativity and help you overcome writer's block. Or maybe you're more visually inclined. If Lovable AI offers an image generation tool, try inputting a description like a futuristic city skyline at sunset with flying cars. Watch as the AI translates your words into a compelling visual piece. The free tier allows you to generate a certain number of these outputs, giving you plenty of room for experimentation. The beauty of using Lovable AI for free lies in its ability to let you learn and explore at your own pace. You can experiment with different prompts, understand how AI responds to various inputs, and discover its potential applications for your personal projects, schoolwork, or even professional endeavors. It's an excellent way to get hands-on experience without any financial commitment. You'll find that the free tier typically comes with certain usage limits, such as a set number of generations per day or access to a core set of features. This is perfectly normal and designed to give you a taste of what Lovable AI can do. As you become more familiar with the platform and its capabilities, you'll have a clear understanding of whether upgrading to a paid subscription might be beneficial for your specific needs. So, don't hesitate. Dive into Lovable AI's free tier today and start your exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. It's a truly cost-effective way to explore the platform's immense potential.